It's a beautiful day on the shores of Cape Breton. A little bit of kayaking adventures and enjoying this beautiful sunny day. Some of you might recognize from my Instagram, I usually take my pictures in the morning before I go to work from that area over there. But I'm standing here at my aunt's place in Sydney River, and it is just the most amazing place to kayak from. So here I am. Great day for kayaking with plus 15. Wow. Time to head up on underneath that bridge and around the corner. It is a tad bit windy, but it's a warm wind. So it's actually not so bad at all. It's rather enjoyable. Just sticking close to the shore as I come up around this bend. What a gorgeous day. I'm under the old train trestle. Of course, the train doesn't go over this anymore, but I thought I'd stop and take a break while I'm on my kayaking adventure. Just absolutely beautiful. Well, I've decided not to go any further up as the water is getting a little choppier out there in a larger body of water. So I'm just going to go back down the river from where I came and just enjoy the tide pulling me out. Just magical. That's the Trans-Canada Highway there in Sydney River. Just a beautiful place to kayak through. Absolutely beautiful. The tide is just taking me right back. I love this. I can actually sit back and just breathe it all in. It's a little bit noisy by the highway, but I mean, still, it's a nice little place to just drift away. And I am drifting back to where I came from. So peaceful as I float with the tide back down the river. Back at the Sydney River Bridge, and over there is where I normally park in the mornings before work to have my coffee. It's just beautiful around here. I mean, you cannot beat the scenery around here at all. I love that little tiny home there. Looks like a little lighthouse right on the shore. Almost back. And well, I'm back from kayaking on this beautiful day in Sydney River. Thanks for watching.